Venice, Italy, is a city like no other, a place where history, art, and romance blend seamlessly into a unique and enchanting destination. Nestled within the intricate network of canals that wind their way through the heart of the city, Venice is a living work of art, a floating masterpiece that beckons travelers from around the world to explore its labyrinthine streets and discover its many wonders. One of Venice's most iconic attractions is undoubtedly the Grand Canal, a bustling waterway that serves as the city's main artery. Visitors can embark on a scenic gondola ride or hop on a vaporetto, the city's water bus, to glide along the canal's picturesque shores, passing by elegant palaces, historic churches, and vibrant markets. The Rialto Bridge, with its ornate architecture and bustling marketplace, is a must-visit spot along the Grand Canal, offering stunning views and excellent shopping opportunities. Venice is also renowned for its rich cultural heritage, and nowhere is this more evident than in its stunning array of churches and museums. The Basilica di San Marco, with its breathtaking Byzantine architecture and intricate mosaics, is a spiritual and artistic marvel. The Doge's palace, adjacent to the Basilica, is a testament to Venetian political and architectural prowess, featuring opulent chambers, a stunning staircase, and the notorious Bridge of Sighs. Art enthusiasts will find treasures aplenty in the Gallery dell'Accademia, home to an extensive collection of Venetian Renaissance masterpieces. Beyond the iconic landmarks, Venice's charm lies in its hidden gems, found in the narrow alleyways and quaint squares that invite exploration. Stroll through the enchanting neighborhoods of Dorsoduro, Cannaregio, and Castello to discover local eateries, artisan shops, and authentic Venetian life. Venice is also known for its vibrant markets, such as the Rialto Market, where you can savor the flavors of fresh seafood, artisanal cheeses, and local produce. Venice is a city where food and wine are elevated to an art form. Savor traditional Venetian dishes like risotto al nero di seppia, squid ink risotto, sard and sour, sweet and sour sardines, and sacchetti, small tapa-style bites, at cozy Baccari wine bars. Pair these delights with a glass of local Prosecco or a fine Venetian wine for an unforgettable culinary experience. Venice also hosts a myriad of annual events and festivals that offer a unique perspective on the city's culture. The Venice Carnival, with its elaborate masks and costumes, transforms the city into a surreal dreamscape each February. The Biennale di Venezia, a renowned international art and architecture exhibition, attracts creative minds from across the globe every 2 years. Finally, no visit to Venice would be complete without a journey to the surrounding islands of Murano, Burano, and Torcello. Murano is celebrated for its exquisite glass-blowing traditions, while Burano enchants visitors with its colorful homes and intricate lace-making heritage. Torcello, the most serene of the three, boasts ancient churches and a sense of tranquil escape from the bustling city. Venice is a place of extraordinary beauty and unparalleled cultural richness. It's a destination where history, art, and romance converge to create an experience that lingers in the hearts of all who are fortunate enough to visit. Whether you're wandering along the winding canals, admiring centuries-old architecture, savoring exquisite cuisine, or participating in one of its many festivals, Venice offers an enchanting journey through time and an unforgettable travel experience.